Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a study schedule for Class 10. First, let's assess your current routine. Begin by listing all your subjects and honestly evaluate their difficulty for you. Next, identify the times of day when you feel most focused and productive. Finally, make sure to note down all your existing commitments, such as school hours, extracurricular activities, or family responsibilities, to see where study time can fit in naturally. Now, let's structure your study blocks effectively. Allocate specific time slots for each subject, ensuring a balanced approach across all areas. It's crucial to incorporate short breaks, perhaps 10 to 15 minutes every hour or so, to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Try to schedule your most challenging subjects during your peak productivity hours, which you identified earlier, to maximize your learning efficiency. Building flexibility into your schedule is key for long-term success. Always include some buffer time for unexpected events or if a particular topic takes longer than planned. Make sure to schedule dedicated weekly review sessions to revisit all the topics covered, reinforcing your understanding. Remember, your study schedule isn't set in stone. Be prepared to adjust it based on your progress, upcoming tests, and evolving needs. Finally, consistency and self-care are paramount. Strive to stick to your study schedule as consistently as possible to build strong habits. Equally important is ensuring you get adequate sleep, aiming for around 7 to 8 hours nightly, as rest is vital for memory and concentration. Don't forget to reward yourself for reaching study milestones. This positive reinforcement can keep you motivated and engaged throughout your Class 10 journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.